Shivaya Namaha.
Yeah, say about love.
Okay. Love has no pain or sorrow. Love is the utmost important thing in everybody's life. Everybody has to be in love with all the things they meet. People usually seek of happiness. Happiness or pleasure always leads to pain and sorrow. Happiness is entirely different from love. Love doesn't bring you any pain or sorrow. Only the impermanency of happiness will always brings you pain and sorrow. Namah Shivaya.